Hey, welcome back to the channel yet again. So, this is the 550. Showed you it in the last video. So this is my 2014 BMW 550i. This car is X-Drive, so all-wheel drive M5-ish, kind of. Slippery. Spoke too soon about it running good. Picked up a misfire. Feels like it's probably ignition coil.
Who's steering the boat?
I'm still freezing. So we're gonna scan it, see what's going on. I do have an ignition coil if I need it. Oh, BMW. What year is it? 2014. Automatic ID. Okay. Engine. No.
Do that. I am warning you.
What codes do we have? Too rich. All right. That's great. Let's do this. Pre-scan. This car does have 2 DMEs. Cylinder 4. Great. One of the back ones. Let's go take a look at the car. All right, so here we are at the car. Get the hood open. Yes, it is running. I'm going to shut it off in a minute. So on a BMW, the right bank, passenger side, bank 1, left bank, bank 2.
How neat is that?
And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, cylinder 4, back cylinder on this side.
Nice.
Let me shut this off.
Almost out of gas, called the A-Rab.
All right, it is shut off. Cylinder 4 is back there. So we have to take this air filter housing off, which is not a big deal. Gonna start by taking this off. Then to get this filter housing off, there's a clamp right here. Get this oxygen sensor wiring out of the way. Undo this screw clamp. This fresh air duct kind of pops out. Unplug your air mass meter, and then you can lift it out. So let me do that. All right, let's see if I can do this one-handed. I don't know how talented I am here. Screw clamp. It'd be easier if it wasn't 16 degrees out here. I can tell you that right now. All right. Let's see. Oh, the engine's nice and warm. Like it's been running. Maybe I can break everything too. That'd be great. Well, there we go. I can see the coil. All right, so reach down here. Ouch. There's our ignition coil. Looks the same as that one. We'll take this one. Ease her in here. Now the other thing here is this thing could be fouling spark plugs because, you know, it does burn oil, but I don't know. I've seen them burn way worse, not have issues with fouling plugs. So it could just be coil. We have seen quite a bit of issues with these ignition coils as they get older. Get back. All right. Tighten this clamp. Put the cover back on. There you go. Pretty much did it one-handed.
That's pretty neat.
Start it back up. Maybe. Run smoother. Snap! All right, got the coil in, got it back together. Carrying codes out of everything. Seems to be running smoother. So let's let this finish up and we'll take it for a drive. So in case I didn't say it before, bank 1 is right side, bank 2 is left side. Goes cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how BMW does it. So our misfire was back there. We swapped a used, hopefully good coil into it. Had to lift the airbox up a little bit. Yeah, now it seems to be running smoother. Let's take it for a drive and we'll make sure that it is running smoother. All right, so here we go, taking it for a drive. As you can see, the weather is wonderful here in Michigan. Now it was misfiring a little bit at idle before putting the coil in it. And it was really doing it on hard acceleration. Well, moderate to hard acceleration. And when it was warm, and it is up to temp now, so we should be able to see if it's still doing it. I am freezing cold. Slippery. Well, seems to be fixed. As you can see, she runs out pretty good. Way too fast for how snowy it is. But guys, I think I'm gonna end this off here. Seems to be fixed. We will make more videos on this car as it gets modified. And you know, everything else that's going on. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure to leave a comment, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.